How to log in into your Temu account. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you're confused on how to log into Temu account, this step is quite similar for both the application as well as the website. So on this video, we'll be discussing both of such options to log in. For the application one, if you tap open the application, you will land to this page. Or you could tap on Use section or Profile section to land here. There are different ways to log in such as Google, Facebook, X, or you could just give your email address and tap on continue and it'll ask you for password. But if you have not set up the password, you can easily get verification code on your phone number and you're good to go. In my case, I'd be using continue with Google and choosing my account. After this is done, I'd be redirected to another page and just in fractions of seconds. And just by that, I have successfully logged in into the Temu app. The step is quite similar for the website version as well. Just go to any browser and search temu.com. After that, you will have to tap on the profile icon which is present on the top right. Tap on sign in and register and you will be redirected to the previous page that we used in the application, and the step is similar after this. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.